morning, friends. Happy Sunday. So, today I will start with a problem that is related to trigonometry. Let me first tell you about the some problem, and then after I will go for the solution. Okay. So, the problem says given that alpha is an acute acute angle satisfying the following equation, which is equal to 369 minus 360 cos alpha plus square root of 544 minus 480 sin alpha minus 25 equals 0. Now alpha is an acute angle which satisfies this equation. Our say to find 40 tan of alpha. What is the value of 40 tan alpha? This is your sum. So let me start the solution. So just for the starting of the solution, let me assume this as x and this as y. Okay, this as y. So if I assume this part as x and y, so x become equal to root over of 369, and this I am taking to ease the calculation. 360 cos alpha, and y is here under root of 544 minus 480 sin alpha. Okay, now I am rubbing the upper part. Okay, now if it is so, then equation is equal to x plus y minus 25 equals 0. So we can say that x plus y equal to 25, and otherwise if I take 1 by 1 x equal to 369 minus 360 cos alpha. Now I am squaring up both the sides, so this becomes x square. It will 369 minus 360 cos alpha. So now just follow. I am breaking these numbers into other numbers. So this becomes 12 into 15 cos alpha. Why I am breaking into this part? There is some reason, because if you see that equation, it is almost like cos formula of any triangle. Okay, so this is 2 into 12 into 15. 15 into 12 is 180, 160. Now if I say this one is 12 square plus 15 square, it will match 369. 12 square means 144. This is 225, adding up, I will get this. So this is more or less like some triangle with this as 15, this as 12, this as alpha, and this as y, this as x. Now this is kind of triangle where that cos formula, if I apply, it will give you 12 square x square equal to 12 square plus 15 square minus 2xy, to this and this cos alpha. So this represents some triangle. Similarly, if I do y square, it will give you there I will get 12 square plus 20 square, okay, minus 2 into 12 into 20 sin alpha. Okay, now that sin alpha, if I write it like that, this is nothing but okay, let me write another line so that you can understand it better. 12 square plus 20 square minus 2 into 12 into 20, and that sin alpha I am writing as 90 minus alpha. So this also, if I represent in triangle, earlier one is, this is 15, this is 12, this is alpha, and this is x. Now this will be 20, bigger one, this will be, let's say, 12. So this angle should be 90 minus alpha. Okay, and this side would be y. Okay, now if I want to merge this triangle together, up to this you understand, I suppose. This is cos 90 minus alpha if I take, so this will be y square, and then this is 12 square, 20 square, and this is the third side. So if I am to merge this triangle together, this is 12, this side is 12, so 12 and 12 will merge together. What I will find, 12 merge together, this is your alpha, this is your 90 minus alpha, and if I put it like that, this is 90 minus alpha, this I am merging together. So this would be your x, this would be your y, this will be your 20, this will be your 15. Okay, like that. So this all together will club this. Now my task is to find tan of alpha. Now if I see this from this equation, x and y, I already know this is 25. Now what could be the x and y? Because if I see this triangle, and if I divide x and by such a way that this thing will relate each other, that means if I assume this could be a 90 degree, then this should follow plus x square, where x value should be 9, then only this satisfy, and at the same time y value should be, if I take this triangle, because this, if it is 90, this also to be 90, so now 20 square is equal to 12 square plus your y square, so y should be 16. Now see, 9 plus 16 will give you 25, so all way it is satisfying, means this is satisfying the relation to establish x is equal to 9 should be there and y is equal to 16 should be there, and if it is satisfying, this is also the third equation also satisfied. So from there we can establish there should be a one only value, that is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 16. From there I can say what is your tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to this vertical by this, so that is equal to 9 upon 12, that is equal to 3 by 4. Now my task is to find 40 tan alpha. So 40 tan alpha is your 40 tan alpha is equal to 40 into 3 by 4, that gives you 30. So that this is your answer. Okay, so I think you have understand. This is somewhat logically, but it's very interesting how to merge this triangle, and from there logically I establish the value of x and y. So that's for today. I will come with more number of interesting videos in my later classes. Kindly follow my videos and subscribe and forward to your groups. That is my repeated request. Every time I will do it, and I will expect more response from your side. Thank you.